Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into CarticeNYC.com, a website that's been making waves in the online jewelry market. But is it a hidden gem or just another online scam? Let's find out. CarticeNYC.com claims to offer high-quality, iced-out jewelry at unbeatable prices. However, several red flags suggest that this site may not be as trustworthy as it appears. Firstly, the website's trust score is alarmingly low. Scam Detector assigns it a score of 28 out of 100, labeling it as risky, dubious, perilous. Similarly, Scam Advisor gives it a 0 out of 100 trust score, citing concerns such as the site's recent creation date, hidden ownership details, and a lack of customer reviews. Moreover, the site employs tactics commonly associated with scam websites. It offers extravagant discounts of 50 to 90% off, which are often too good to be true. Additionally, the website lacks transparency, providing no physical business address and limited contact information. Only an email address is listed. Customer feedback, or the lack thereof, is another concern. There are very few genuine customer reviews available, and some of the positive reviews found may be fabricated to enhance the site's credibility. Furthermore, the website's domain was registered recently, in August 2024, which raises questions about its legitimacy. In conclusion, while CarticeNYC.com presents itself as a reputable jewelry retailer, the numerous red flags suggest otherwise. It's crucial to exercise caution and conduct thorough research before making any purchases from this site.